Hey kids, check it out. Today we're checking out the revised quarter watt amp. If I could get my guitar to quit falling off my body, that would help. Ta-da, there we go. You can see the controls. It's got master, gain, treble, bass, mid. So basic. It's got push-pulls on these three, which do this one. If you pull it out, it defeats the EQ. This is a bright, and this one's even brighter. So we'll start with it like this. Everything off. Anyway, so I can get this thing set here. Okay. I haven't done one of these for a while, so forgive me if I'm a little out of practice. Anyway, this is a quarter watt amp. Pretty much, it's not all the way up, but like 3/4 of the way up. I'm in an apartment in San Francisco. Beautiful Jen's apartment. And I realized how much I needed a little tiny tube amp again. So I revised this thing. I'm putting kits out for sale again. So if you're interested, hit me up. With that said, let's check this thing out. I've got the master volume 3/4 of the way up. I got the gain, about 2/3. Treble, bass, both at about 7. Mid's down about 3 or 4. It's kind of nice because this thing's not any louder than me talking. Playing this dual humbuckers on the neck pickup. Go ahead and crank it. Put it on the bridge pickup. Got a nice little growl to it. Pull one of the brights, put it back on the neck pickup. Pull the other bright. That's probably one of my favorite sounds. I like it actually a little less gainy. The bright switches really kind of add a little more growl to it. And this isn't very loud, which is kind of the other nice thing. I'm going to go ahead and defeat the EQ. So this will make it a little louder. It's not quite gainy enough for lead work, in my opinion. You're not going to get those really gnarly pinch harmonics out of it. It's a little sticky almost. Really nice for kind of a bluesy. Gain it all the way out. Still, it's not really what this amp does best, but it's kind of cool that it does it at a bedroom amp. volumes. If I wanted to do that, I'd probably use a boost pedal. Speaking of that, I got one. Just going to throw a tube screamer on. Actually, I like it better with the EQ in. But you can get that shit out of any distortion pedal, so that's nothing new. This amp sounds really nice with the reverb. I've got a Holy Grail reverb and a flashback, GC electronics delay. I like that sound a lot. It's probably my favorite sound out of the amp. Anyway, I like this amp for nighttime kind of stuff. That's what it's built for. If you're looking for it, the guts are fairly intense. Let me turn it off. If you're an advanced builder, it's really not an issue. If you're a beginning builder, it's pretty cool. You could actually dumb it down. That's kind of what the gut shot looks like. It's got a voltage pump. Those are all the capacitors, those black ones, lined up with diodes. The rest is just kind of a basic layout. The hardest part is these push poles in here. They're a little bit bitchy to wire up, but not too bad. If you take your time, I did it in about probably 6 or 7 hours total, so you'd probably do it in about that time. Anyway, get at me if you're interested in one. If not, enjoy the demo. Hope you all have a happy new year.